Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you my dear subscribers and my all lovely viewers? I hope you are all fine. I pray that you will always be happy and well wherever you are. So my dear friends, today I am showing you very attractive, very stylish butterfly haircuts and hairstyling ideas for women. Today we are diving into the mesmerizing world of long butterfly haircuts and hairstyle. If you are looking for some trendy and stunning hairstyle, you are in the right place. We will be showcasing a collection of beautiful long butterfly haircuts images, perfect for those who love a touch of elegance and flair in their hairstyles. Imagine the grace of delicate butterfly wings gracefully framing your face. That's the essence of these captivating haircuts, from subtle and sophisticated to bold and eye-catching. We have created a range of styles that cater to various tastes and preferences. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, these butterfly inspired cuts can transform your look into something extraordinary. And don't worry about the length, as we will be featuring options suitable for different hair types and lengths. So, if you are ready to take your hairstyle game to the next level, grab a cup of your favorite beverage. Sit back and enjoy this visual feast of long butterfly haircuts images. Be sure to hit that like button if you find a cut that steals your heart, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content like this. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. And please share my video with your friend and also with your family, because everyone need hair cutting and styling. Sharing your video will help them too, and you will help me somehow. How I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. And thank you so much guys for your positive feedback in my previous videos. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful videos for you guys. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself.